nasib tamu pakai cukup tada mane kaidunya.
According to reports that we have from Aceh, militia members have recently been saying that after GAM is disarmed, they will kill GAM members. If GAM defends itself against these militias, this will be the excuse the TNI is looking for to relaunch military operations against GAM. This will end the peace process.
Sebaliknya, Hamid Awaludin memberikan sambutan bernada positif.
Peace should not be perceived as only the absence of violence. Peace means living together, supporting and understanding each other. Peace means law is upheld, order is preserved, justice and human rights and fairness are served, and prosperity is achievable. Pat ujian han pirang, pat perang tan reda. Tiadalah hujan tanpa henti, tiada perang tanpa akhir. There is always a time for rain to stop, and there is always a time for war or conflict end. We end the conflict. God bless our lovely country and nation.
Mantan Presiden Finlandia Martti Ahtisaari selaku mediator menyebut penandatanganan nota kesepahaman ini sebagai awal sebuah era baru bagi Aceh yang memberi kesempatan bagi rakyat Aceh untuk hidup dalam masyarakat yang damai, adil, dan demokratis. Ini akan dilanjutkan dengan pelucutan senjata mulai 15 September mendatang di bawah pengawasan tim pemantau dari Uni Eropa dan sejumlah negara Asia.